Hey, Bear here. What does Bear Brown do? We handle the AI. You handle the humanity. Bear Brown builds AI infrastructure for people who have something human to say and need the technology to stay out of the way while they say it. Your creativity stays yours. Your judgment stays yours. Your vision stays yours. We handle everything else. Who is Bear Brown for? Researchers, educators, founders, investors. They come to Bear Brown with a belief about how something should work, a framework, a pedagogy, a market thesis, and we build the AI infrastructure that makes it real. The AI takes the back seat, almost invisible, present when a human needs it, in service of what that human is trying to do. The AI is easy, the human part is hard. We believe humans should do human things, and AI should do AI things. Bear Brown is bespoke AI development for organizations that know what they believe and need a system that reflects it. Recent grad developers, supervised by Bear Brown. Entry-level prices. No lock-in. No placement fee if you hire the developer. $35 an hour for development. $200 an hour for Bear Brown's time when you need it. Bear Brown also provides early-stage AI strategy for founders entering new categories. Bear Brown can also trade equity for expertise. Or cash. Your choice. Bear Brown connects you with top recent engineering graduates, Bear Brown vetted, matched to organizations that need exceptional talent at honest prices. AI can generate the ideas. It cannot care which one matters. AI can write the code. It cannot decide what is worth building. AI can produce the output. It cannot be accountable for it. AI can optimize the decision. It cannot live with the consequences. AI can and should do many things. The rest is irreducibly human. Bear Brown exists for the rest.